Yeah, she thinks it's pretty cool. They have very, very complex vocal cords, so they're capable of mimicking all sorts of different sounds. Does anybody know what a cockatoo likes to eat? Seeds. That's one of their absolute favorite foods. She will preen my beard a little bit to make sure that I don't have any, any leftover dinner in there. Falcons are a bird of prey. So every part of the falcon is built for speed. It looks like a bird in flight. And I love it when he does that. That big shake and shimmy of the wings. That's called a rouse when they do that. And that means they're calm and comfortable and relaxed. If they're sitting up in a tree, they have that 360-degree vision of everything that's happening down below. They like to eat rodents, reptiles, fish, other birds, snakes, up to foxes, and small deer.